everybody, it's me Sissy back with a Dollar Tree haul and an unboxing and a shout out and a big thank you to my friends at Rose Forever New York. They have sent me the most lovely, this is one of their hat box versions of their preserved forever roses, and these are the fuchsia pink ones, and these are just gorgeous, y'all. I did unboxing of them in 2020, and their roses, they say they'll last over a year if you take care of them, and they are absolutely correct because I actually still have my roses from 2020. Now, they are a little bit worse for wear because I do have puppies, and one of my puppies decided they wanted to smell one of them, but if not for that, these roses are just as beautiful as when I first got them. So if you have a rose lover in your family or a flower lover and you want to give them a gift that's going to last for about the same price as a bouquet of long stem roses, you can get them roses that are going to last for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. I don't know how long they will last, but I know it'll be well worth the investment. And if you use my code, and the link in the description box, code is Sissy25, you can get $25 off your purchase. But I just want to give a big shout out to Sylvia, the rep that I'm working with at Rose Forever New York. These came at a great time. I was really sick and I needed some cheering up, and these came and they just did the trick. So remember, y'all, with Mother's Day, graduations, weddings, all that coming up, this would make a great gift. So do look in the description box for the link and the code, and I'm really happy to get this. They sent these to me at no charge. They wanted my honest review and unboxing, and I just love them. So I mean, if I didn't, I wouldn't still have them from 2020. But stay tuned, because since these are kind of degraded and falling apart, I'm going to do a little DIY with these and take them out of the hat box. They last much longer if you leave them in the hat box where they're preserved or in the container. They have lots of different containers and sizes and prices to choose from, so give their site a check out. But anyway, stay tuned to see what I do with these. That's coming up real soon. But let's get to the Dollar Tree haul. I got a few interesting things in my bag right here. As you know, Easter's coming up, so I got the little felt Easter basket. That's the truck hauling the big Easter egg, and it has this nice sturdy felt. I'm going to do some heat transfer vinyl on here and put my little nephew's name on here, Posey, and send this to him, and so he'll have a personalized Easter basket. So if y'all stay tuned, I'm going to be doing a DIY showing you how to do the heat transfer vinyl. But they have a lot of different baskets and bags like this and different things at Dollar Tree that work really well with heat transfer vinyl. So, and then for a DIY I think I'm going to be able to do, I'm going to give it a try, y'all. This is 4 yard balloon sticks that you can blow your balloon up and put it in the little cap and then put it on the stick and stand it up. But I saw a YouTube video while I was ill and in bed, and I thought I would give it a try and see if I could replicate it or even improve upon their design. But so I got that. And Dollar Tree is the best place in the world to get tissue paper. So I got the 24 sheets of the different colored tissue papers. I always get my tissue paper, wrapping paper, and gift bags from Dollar Tree. Even at $1.25, it is so much better price than Walmart. And I don't usually get food things at Dollar Tree because I'm trying to do the low carb, but I kind of got off the low carb bandwagon, but you can tell, and but I'm going to get back on it. But I did pick this up, and this is definitely not low carb. It's the Columbia Rotini. This is a great price. It is 20 ounces of Rotini for $1.25. That is great. And they have the good Hunt's pasta sauce, garlic and herbs. So I picked up some of that. That's a quick, easy meal. let's see, garlic and herb, and I think the other one was the meat flavor. I mean, if you go light on the meat or don't eat meat, you can don't have to add anything to it, or you can add some hamburger, sausage, or whatever to it and make a complete meal. So that's great for $2.50. Then I think that's all the food. They don't have a lot of choices there for low carb or low sugar, and I'm really for my health need to get back to doing the low carb, but I'm trying, y'all. But anyway, back to the haul. I picked up these stacking planters. It's the three pack, and they stack and make a great little let me see if I can get it off here and show you. I bought the larger ones one year and planted, I believe, marigolds in them, and it was just gorgeous on my porch. And I thought I would try these little ones. So they just stack up like this, and you can go as high as you want. But there's the 3. So I thought I would try those. Put those in my office at work. And then I picked up some seeds to go along with it. I got, and the seeds were 4 for $1. So I got marigolds, chrysanthemums, more marigolds. So I'm going to try these out. I need to just grab me a little bag of potting soil and put that in there. And then I got the bag of the 25 latex balloons to kind of go with my yardsticks for the balloons. If I can get enough air to blow up a balloon, we're going to try that DIY I told you about. But then I picked up a few crafting things. I got these Crafter square cutting dies. This is a little edge one. That'd be great on the edges of the corners of a card. And then this border one that's flowers. So I'm going to try some of these out and show y'all how I use them and see if they work good. Excuse me. And let's see. I picked up a few beauty items. You know, I love the makeup wipes or the facial wipes by Bolero. It's one of the few Bolero products that I actually like that work good for me. The wipes and the facial mist. But I got the watermelon and sweet mint makeup wipes. They're really good. You get, how many you get? 30 in a pack. And then I picked up some of the Sure and Fresh feminine wipes. There's 32 wipes in there. These are great for those. Well, here in the South, our winter is crazy. One day it's 80 degrees and it's 75 degrees and then it's 40 degrees. So we're going from hot to cold and you never know what to wear. And sometimes you get a little sweaty in areas, and this is great to take care of that. And let's see. I got a cute little makeup brush holder. I'm going to give this a try. I'm not sure about it because it's not very heavyweight, and it is plastic, but I'm going to put my brushes in it and see if it tips over. If not, I can probably use it for pens or pencils. Oh, and I happen to have gotten 2 of them, so we'll see. Yep, some more seeds, some more marigolds. I have this thing, I love marigolds. And I picked up a cute little fan. I'm going to put this on my makeup table, you know, like when you put your lotion on in the morning and your primer, if you use that, and kind of let it blow dry it a little bit before I put on my foundation. Believe it or not, y'all, I do try to look decent when I go to work and wear some makeup. And then I picked up the Pure Silk Shave Cream. This is the Ultra Sensitive. So that's great for shaving those legs because summertime's coming, and I might actually put on a pair of shorts or a dress and let them get some sun on them. And then I picked up these new, what company is this? I don't have my glasses on. I don't know. This is Cucumber Makeup Remover Wipes. So I'm going to give these a try. There's 25 in here, so I do love the smell of cucumber. That's why I picked them up. So we're going to give those a try. And then I do have a few more little craft things in here. It wasn't a very big haul, but I am trying to get more content on in between being sick. But I'm much better now. So hopefully I can stay and not come and miss and come and miss. I hope to be more consistent. But I picked up some of these Craftwood 3D bees. 2 little packs of those. I think there's 12 in each pack. I'm a sucker for bees. I love anything bee related. Then I got the craft garland with beads. That's bees. So I thought I might incorporate those and try to do a honeybee wreath or something like that for the spring. Then I got the Happy Easter garland with the carrots and the bunnies in the lovely gingham colors. So we will see if we can use those in a DIY here shortly. I know it's sneaking up on me. I'm always late for all the holidays, and I'm sorry. I'm trying to get better, y'all. And then I picked up this cute little phone ring with strap that is French fries. So this is for my daughter, so we'll see if she can put it on her phone. But anyway, y'all, that's it. That's my haul. It's just a few Dollar Tree things, and it's good to be back, y'all. I do miss y'all, and I am trying. So I hope to be more consistent and get some DIYs coming up. I do have one filmed. Just got to edit it a little bit and get that on the air. And then I've got a lot of stuff lined up. I just got to get well enough to do it. But anyway, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. And remember, Rose Forever New York, beautiful roses. I'll put the link and the discount code in the description box, so go check them out. It's a great deal, and these roses do last just as long as they say they do, and I think it's, for the price, it is a great value. But anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.